Hello, in this video I will explain you what is Ingress in Kubernetes, why use it instead of just an NGINX deployment, and how to set it up. So, you've got your apps running inside Kubernetes, everything looks great, but there is one big question: how do you actually expose them to the internet? Sure, you can use NodePort or LoadBalancer, but what if you have multiple services? Do you really want to create a new load balancer for every one of them? That's where Ingress comes in a smarter, cleaner way to route traffic into your cluster. Ingress is a Kubernetes API object that manages external access, usually HTTP and HTTPS traffic. It acts like a smart router in the front of your cluster. When a request comes in, it's look at the host name or the path and send it to the right service inside Kubernetes. Now you might be thinking, wait, can I just deploy NGINX myself and write some reverse proxy roles? Technically yes, but that quickly become painful. Every time a service changes, you have to edit configs, restart NGINX and keep everything in sync manually. Ingress is built into Kubernetes. It automatically watches for services update, scales with your cluster, and works dynamically. You just describe your routes in YAML and the Ingress controller does the rest. Alright, let's see how to set up Ingress step by step using the NGINX Ingress Controller, one of the most popular implementation. But before, hit that like button and subscribe for more Kubernetes deep dives. Go ahead. Now let's install the NGINX Ingress Controller using Helm, which makes it super easy to manage and upgrade later. First we add the official Ingress Helm repository. Ingress NGINX Helm repository already exists on this machine. This command tells Helm where to download the chart from. Next we update all repositories. Just make sure we're getting the latest version of chart. Happy Helming! Now let's install the Ingress controller. And that's it. The NGINX Ingress controller is now up and running in your cluster, ready to route traffic to your application. Let me demonstrate you a quick demo with Ingress controller and two services. First up, let's create frontend demo site. Here's a simple deployment with NGINX and config map with index.html file and service with cluster IP service type named frontend. The next one I will create a backend. Backend deployment, demo deployment with this YAML. Here's one HTTP being a demo Golang server that works like API and service for it, cluster IP as well. Let's save it. And last one, let's create Ingress demo. Ingress demo YAML. Here we have host service dot automation tools dot me. Everything looks good. Backend, frontend, prefix, path-based ingress. So let's apply these manifests. Let's check if we have got IPs. Service is up and running. Now let's check. We got a load balancer address, external IP. Let's add DNS record in etc host. Now we have a page with index.html. Let's check if backend works. Hello from backend. As you can see, it works properly. We got 2 services with route-based routers. That's it. If this helped you understand Ingress, hit that like button and subscribe for more Kubernetes deep dives. Bye bye.